Well, it's already benefiting India in so many ways, right? I mean, when demonetization happened, what was the extent of black money being used versus now, right? So that was the first trigger that got people to sort of adopt UPI, and now the adoption has skyrocketed like anything in the country. This is the third largest country as far as fintech adoption is concerned. Our fintech adoption has gone from negligible to 87%, which is insane, compared to a global average, I think, of about 67%, which is much, much lower. Who would have thought a country like India is going to have a very, very high adoption of fintech products more specifically? So UPI is a boon, right? Like whether you're going to a really fancy restaurant or you're going to buy something from a really small vendor on the street, everyone's using UPI, and I think that's huge kudos to the government and India for that kind of adoption. It's great for everyone. It's already there, right? Like I think finance was a little late to the game. Likes of Flipkart and Amazon were early to the game. We saw all these players coming in very early, but in the last 4 or 5 years, we've seen a lot of really large fintech players emerge, whether it's payment gateways like Razorpay or it's products like Zerodha, which is one of the biggest unicorns in the country. Everyone is adopting fintech products, and people, I mean, if you look at the time spent on some of these platforms, the amount of capital they have, the amount of trust companies have on these platforms, it's amazing. Is India ready? Absolutely. Is the financial revolution happening from a digital perspective? It is happening, and it'll only continue to grow.